Do you think the water that you use at home is safe? Are you and your loved ones protected from infections from waterborne pathogens? Has your child fallen sick or had infection in spite of giving only home-cooked food? Is the water that you use to give bath to your child safe from pathogens? Know the truth and stay protected. In everyday life, we consume water for various purposes. We might have water purifiers installed at kitchen, but we still use water in other areas like bathing, brushing, washing hands, cleaning utensils, etc. We might also swim in water not subjected to UV treatment at swimming pool. In all these areas, we can be potentially using water that is contaminated by pathogens. Here is how the contamination can happen. We have sewage pipes and water pipes running in parallel in the city. Whenever there is a broken drainage pipe or overflowing manhole or heavy rains, water will seep into the soil. It will cover the water pipeline that is present underground. There are chances that there could be leaks in the water pipes, air gaps at the joints, etc. Movements of water inside pipes happen through applied pressure at one end. When the water supply is stopped, water will flow towards the lower altitude in the pipe. There will be negative pressure created and will create a suction pressure at the other end. When this happens, contaminated air or water surrounding the pipe will be sucked into the water pipeline. When the water flows through the pipeline, next time the same contaminated water goes through the pipe and it could reach your home. Waterborne pathogens will sink into soil and thus it contaminates the groundwater table. Study shows that about 70% of groundwater is not fit for human consumption because of contamination. This percentage is increasing at an alarming rate. Sources of contaminated water could be the city corporation supplied water or water tanks supplied water or borewell water or even from the algae or fungus developed in the sumps or overhead water tanks. All of them could have contaminated water. In such cases, we need to take precautions to protect ourselves and our loved ones from such waterborne diseases. UV Tech Germicide, a company that has successfully installed large-scale water treatment machines, has the perfect solution for you. UV Germicide Unit works like this. Water that could be contaminated will flow through the inlet that could have bacteria and other pathogens. It passes through the water softener to remove the calcium and other water-hardening minerals. From here, it could be connected to the overhead water tank. From there, it will go to the UV treatment chamber. Here, water is subjected to UV light of wavelength at 254 nanometer at high intensity of 3 lakh nanowatt per square centimeter. Option: at 254 nanometer at high intensity of 3 lakh nanowatt per square centimeter. This will kill all the pathogens present in the water. It goes through the micron filters to remove suspended particles up to 1 micron as well as neutralized pathogens. The water is safe for usage. Water that we get from RO purifiers are demineralized water, whereas the water that we get from UV Tech Germicide will retain the essential minerals and nutrients present in the input water. The one-time cost and the maintenance costs are very nominal. Don't wait to fall sick again. Call us and stay protected. UV Tech Germicide, the water specialist.